I don't want to live in a hole anymore. It makes me feel poor.
We are poor, but we're happy.
Who am I, Kylie?
Who how?
Why a fox? Why not a horse or a beetle or a bald eagle? I'm saying this more as like existentialism, you know? Who am I? And how can a fox ever be happy? I think I have this thing where I need everybody to think I'm the greatest, the quote-unquote fantastic Mr. Fox. And if they aren't completely knocked out and dazzled and kind of intimidated by me, then I don't feel good about myself. Honey, I'm 7 non-Fox years old now. My father died at 7.5. I don't want to live in a hole anymore. And I'm going to do something about it. I think at the end of the day, I'm just...
I know. We're wild animals.
I guess we always were. The views are better above ground.